Okay, so we got a question right here. The spreadsheet modeled an elastic collision between object A and object B. The spreadsheet shows the initial values and the final values when the student tested the model. Okay, deduce whether the values show an elastic collision. Okay, so you have to use the kinetic energy formula to verify that whether it is an elastic collision or not. Always, always you have to use the kinetic energy formula. Yes, so basically the formula is 1 by 2 m1 u1 is initial, right? Initial speed. 1 by 2 m2 u2, basically initial speed of the second, basically second ball. I think it's a ball, maybe. Yeah, maybe it's a ball, I don't know. Okay, yeah, so basically the object B, right, the ball. Okay, so it is equal to 1 by 2 m1 v1 square, the final velocity of the first ball, and the 1 by 2 m2 v2, the final velocity of the second ball. And you have to make sure to put square, right, and make sure to put these as well, so that the examiner could understand which values, or which is the ball you're talking about, or object you're talking about. So let's input the values, which is 1 by 2. Mass of the first ball in the given spreadsheet is 0.85 and 1.3 square. Now we know that our B ball is basically initial. It is also shown in the basically the table as well. The initial basically the initial velocity or the initial speed of the ball is basically 0, right? So we can consider this whole 0 because it's multiplying, right? So basically we can consider it as 0, right? And then we're going to make it equal, and then you put 1 by 2, and then you have a mass of the first ball, which is 0.85, right? And then you have the final velocity is 0.98. It's given in the spreadsheet, right? And then you add it by 1 by 2, right? And the mass of the second ball is 1.7 given in the spreadsheet, and the speed is also given in the spreadsheet for the final one, which is 0.64 square, right? Now we need to find whether it's conserved or not. So I got the value as 0.71825, right? And then the other side value is 0.65603. Now we know these are not equal. These values are not equal. They're basically different, right? So we know that it is not an elastic collision as their values are different, right? This is our conclusion, right? This is our conclusion. Okay.